So hi guys, welcome back to the Kid Angler channel. Today we're fishing here at, well, the upper lake is up there, and it's kind of the oh, a fish jumped right behind me there. It's kind of a river that goes into the Muckross Lake, and it meets at the meeting of the waters out near Dinah's cottage. It looks really beautiful. It's so still. I already had to cast out the rods. We have one with a weight and worm, as always. We have one for a water bobble and a fly, which I just put down. Never know, I can catch a fish maybe like that. And a float, which is way too close to the land right now. I have to recast that. There is a lot of fish activity. I hope we catch a few brown trout, keeper brown trout, and yeah. So guys, I couldn't get it on video, but I caught this little brown trout here. The colours are really beautiful on it. Hoping to catch bigger fish today. We'll see though. Still a nice and beautiful fish. So we'll get it back in the water. Yeah. So yeah, nice fish. Oh. Come on, get out. Yeah, I hope it's still on there. Yeah. No, did it come off? A bobble thing. Took me so long to. Yeah, it's off. Well, it happens. The fish are starting to bite, so yeah. Fish. Here. There's some fish activity going on here.
Oh, that's wind.
Well, looks like a fish. Yeah, fish on. Come up with a decent fight. Oh yeah. Dad, if you could pass me the net.
I will help you.
Yeah. Just a small one. Perfect. We have a nice small brown trout here.
Okay, we will show you.
We will show you in a second. Yeah. So guys, we caught this little brown trout here. The second one of the day. I wouldn't be surprised if it's the same one. Well, I mean, there's a lot of action of small brown trout jumping around, surfacing. But we are now going to release him. I don't want to keep him out the water for too long. He went under that rock. Might come out if I see him poking his head out. I'll record it. Yeah. Well, I thought it was a bit bigger, but it's going crazy. It's a nice small brown trout. I thought it was a bit bigger. I'll throw up a photo right now. I'll take a photo with it. I just want to get it unhooked. So yeah, thought it was a bit bigger. So guys, we're gonna release the small trout. And off he goes. So yeah. I saw, well, of course he's camera shy. There's a bat flying around. That thing there. If it gets a bit closer, I'll try to record it. So yeah. Okay guys, we have a specimen trout here. About 5 kilos, I'd say. He's a big one. He put up some fight. Just a reminder here, guys, about the size limit for trout. The legal size limit for trout is 9.5 inches to take. I still sometimes don't take 9.5 inches. I take them a bit bigger, but this guy's definitely not 9.5 inches, so we'll get him back in the water. Yeah, I have to unhook him first.
No, that's a
what?
bat.
Oh, it's a bat. Sorry guys, it ain't a frog, it's a bat.
I go closer.
It was just swimming, and I thought it was a frog. It just climbed up. Like, get down here. It climbed up like it's a frog, and I assume it's a frog, so I started recording. But no, a bat. Weird thing to see, but yeah. Catch you later. Yeah, fish. Oh, I just saw a fish jump because they're probably swimming in the sun. My line. That's a fish on. I hope it's a bigger one than the others. Well, we'll see. Just getting closer. Oh, the bats are all flying around. Wait, is it even a fish? What is that? No, it's just a bunch of weed. Felt like a fish though. Yeah. So guys, look at the moon there on the way back home. It's shining really brightly. It's a full moon. Now it's gone because of the trees, but yeah, there it's back. It's shining really brightly. It's practically like the sun. Yeah, catch you later. Sorry guys, that was our fishing trip here at the connection from the upper lake to the Muckross Lake. I'm sorry for the sound of the car. We had to turn the lights on because we didn't expect to stay this dark. It kind of cut us off, but it was all right and it paid off. Caught a few fish. We me and my dad don't go out for small fish. We just wanted to try a new place because every time we're going up to Kenmare or maybe somewhere up here through Malls Gap, we always see these spots. And today we had a free day, so we decided to try them out. We caught a few fish. It was nice and fun. On the bobber, the small one, which was really funny as well. I overall hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was really fun for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and catch you later. Yeah. There's no view to show. The trees.